Come on, put your hand in the sink. You are washing outside the sink.
Oh.
Abi, you can stand and wash with that.
I cannot leave.
The hand will wash. Can't you see it's better?
But I like doing my standing on the chair.
No, the chair is too long.
What's something though? I want to start. The chair is
Take
start.
another thing. We're washing all these things.
What?
No, I don't rinse it off the tap.
Okay.
Off the tap. We washed inside of it. I have scrubbed inside of it. Now I'll give it to Chineke. Put the sink.
Well,
Chineke, rinse that thing again. Rinse inside of it also. What is this? Come on, madam.
well.
It's okay.
Take.
Now, put your hand in the sink. Stretch your hand. Off the top. Good one. Did you wash inside the cup some more?
Yes.
Okay. I wash the spoon there and the plate. Put your hand. Wait for her to finish. Now give her. Put your hand in this sink, please. Wash the back of the plate. Nice one.
So maybe kid now? Maybe kids?
Are you not a kid again?
Huh?
So you don't want to be a kid? So kids don't wash plates, you think so?
Daddy,
So put
mommy.
your hand in the sink some more. So Chineke, you think kids don't wash plates?
Mommy, me and my kid, but I wash plates too.
Yeah,
wash plates.
Good. Nice one. So kids actually help in house chores. That's enough. Give Chineke to rinse. And you get another thing to wash.
Yes, this golden spoon. It doesn't boil well.
Leave the bowl there. I'll wash it myself. There, put the plate there also. No, put it in here. Turn it. Nice one. Nice one. Oh yeah, raise the spoon. Come when you drop the sponge. And leave it there. I'll take care of it. Wait for Chineke to finish.
I have to wash my
Now
hands.
shift. Now rinse your hand. It's not hot.
Now,
It's okay. So now do you need to rinse your hand?
hands already washed.
Now get your towel to wipe your hands. Stay there and wipe your hands. Now you wipe your hand. Give Chineke to wipe her hand off. It's okay now.
Guys, I've not done the left one. Mommy, it was so fun.
It was so fun, right?
Yes.
So that you'll be helping me every day.
Eh?
You'll be helping me every day, at least
Okay.
at night. You know that Tina is no longer here now, so you guys will be helping us at night. Now you're coming down my shift. Let me clean my sink.